For the repair of the control sensors by KASSIDIARIS, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we used 24-volt DC power supply and a lamp to the start output. By pushing the button start, stop, and heater we see that the unit reacts accordingly and the functions are working successfully. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the control sensors by KASSIDIARIS are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.